Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a missing run as administrator option for MSI file in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type uh, open a type a registry edit and open a registry edit, right click run as administrator and opening the registry editor. So first of all select a h key local h key classic root and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out msi underscore packages. No, here is a MSI packages. So select MSI packages, and after doing this, select shell and expand it. After doing this, right click on a shell and click on new and set a new string value. Sorry, right click on a shell and click on new and set a new key and type a new key is run as. Select now one as, open a default and set the value data is run as code administ administrator. Click OK button. Select a run as, right click new and set a new key and type a new key is command. Select a open a default and select a value data is type msiexec space slash I dot percentage dot. Click OK button and close it. After closing the registry edit, restart your computer and I'm sure that after doing this test, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.